Hi guys, welcome back to Gizbot's YouTube channel. We hope you all are doing good and staying safe during this coronavirus outbreak. If you have been following the news, then we bet all of you must be aware of the TikTok and YouTube fiasco that led to the rise of Mitron TV app. Touted to be an Indian production, this app turned out to be a rebranded Pakistani app. Mitron TV app, which was being touted as India's homegrown rival to TikTok, has been grabbing the headlines for quite some time now. Earlier, it got all the applause and became one of the most downloaded short video apps on Google Play Store for being a Make in India product. However, later it was revealed that this app's source code was bought from a company in Pakistan. In the latest development, the app has been suspended from Google Play Store. The Mitron TV app has been suspended as the spam and minimum functionality developer policies are claimed to be violated. Even though the app is suspended from the Google Play Store, its developers have a provision where they can challenge this decision. However, they do need to have some good reasoning in order to get the suspension lifted. Considering the app's Indian developer have acknowledged this app being bought from Pakistan, we might not see any future developments. Another major reason for its suspension is the lack of the numerous security flaws, which were left unattended. Other apps like TikTok saw in Play Store. It all started with the short downfall of TikTok on Google Play Store. The former's rating dropped drastically when the creators of the former as well as YouTube locked horns. Google later intervened and removed all the recent negative feedback and rating this app has achieved in the recent months. This was an opportunity for apps like Mitron TV to take on the space. And it's not just the Mitron TV, but a lot of apps with similar features and functionality have started flooding the Google Play Store. For reference, you will be able to see the Mitron Indian app developed by Tools LSE. There would be also a Mitron India short video platform by V Developer and others. It seems that the other developers have found the secret recipe for their success, which in this case is the Make in India production. That's all for now. For more technology related updates, make sure you like, share and subscribe to Gizbot's YouTube channel. This is Sandeep signing off.